But that's number one. When you invest in stocks, you gotta think long term. All my portfolios are long term plays for the most part. Not really short term. So we're not really affected when, you know, a jobs report come out, or the Fed, Jerome Powell, says they're not gonna be cutting as many rates, and the market overreacts and the stocks drop. Different news like that, or a banking analyst puts a new rating on a stock and it makes it go down. We don't pay attention to the short term news. You feel me? We long term. I think I came up like $1. I made like $1 off it. But the reason for this is because it wasn't really performing how I wanted to perform. I've been in this stock for over a year now to only be up $1. Okay, I feel as though that the only reason why I sell stocks is because, one, I don't believe in the company's vision anymore, and I believe like it's not really adding up to my investment strategy. Or two, I'm selling because it's not performing as well. Could still be a good company, but it's not performing as well, and I believe I can take that money, divest my investment, and reinvest it into another company that I think has more potential to go up in the future or in the near future. Yo, what's good, fam? Welcome back to JRuss TV. If you're new here, make sure you hit that like, that comment, that subscribe button. We cover all things business, finance, lifestyle, reaction videos to a wide range of different topics. If you're returning to my channel, make sure you hit that like button. Appreciate you, fam. You already know what's going on. We'll be getting into today. But as y'all can see from the title, we're going to get started. We got a couple different topics I want to go over today. Starting off with Robinhood. I see a lot of y'all been rocking with the Robinhood Portfolio update. That video been going up. So I'm going to cover more content. I love checking my Robinhood account on a daily basis, weekly basis. I check it daily, but in order to for posting videos, I don't really know if I should do it weekly uploads, bi-weekly uploads. I'm thinking bi-weekly uploads, but if y'all really want weekly uploads, you know, I can move around, see what I can do. But I'm thinking bi-weekly just so I can get a little more taste of the market, have some different changes, because I don't really dabble in this public portfolio that much. You know what I mean, versus my private ones, which I do a little more. So let me know in the comments which I think we should do. But yeah, that's what we're gonna get started on early today. My Robinhood portfolio. Now the market has been down crazy this week. I think it was because of the jobs report that came out. And since we already here, I'm gonna go ahead. But I think it was good though. I think it was a good jobs report. But for some, the world, I'm individual. I hope they don't make me sign up. Yeah, let me see. It added a quarter million jobs in December, which was far better than expected in most of the 9 months. That's what I'm saying. It thought it was a good jobs report. However, the December jobs report also showed an easing in wage growth. It's now back below 41%. Let me move this over here too. Hold up. Let's see. High wage growth is arguably the most concerning. How did the market react? I frankly was surprised by the negative market reaction. That's what I'm saying. Stocks and bonds sold off, reported despite low wage growth. The surge in jobs caused more market concern about the economy running too hot and causing a surge in inflation. That could be because markets were already sensitive. The job opening early last week also indicated a rather strong job market with 8 million. There was also, I think it was the 5-year broke even. Yes, I think it was a real reaction. I'm saying we got good news from December's, but I think because of the Fed saying that they're going to reduce the rate cuts next year in 2025. Well, this year, 2025. I think that's why the market kind of overreacted a little bit, and it went down. But as y'all can see on the week, we down 5%. On the month, I'm up roughly like 4%. On 3 months, I'm down. Well, the year just started, but year to date, I'm down about 1.5%. So yeah, it did tank a little bit. This week I am down like $67. I did make some new plays in the portfolio though. So let's see. To start off, I sold SMH. I did have SMH, which is a semiconductor ETF, and I sold that. Let me see if it shows it in here. Here we go. Yeah, I sold that. Let's see. I bought $15 in. Oh dang. I put 15 in. Oh no, let me see. Not that I put way more than that. Yeah, okay, 25 in at 244. I put $20 in July 2nd. It was at 264. I put $15 in. It was at 219, and I sold it for 243. January 13th. So that was yesterday at 2:29 p.m. Eastern. I sold roughly about 0.2. I sold all my shares. In there. 243. I think I made it. I think I came up like $1. I made like $1 off it. But the reason for this is because it wasn't really performing how I wanted to perform. I've been in this stock for over a year now. To only be up $1. Okay, I feel as though that the only reason why I sell stocks is because, one, I don't believe in the company's vision anymore, and I believe like it's not really adding up to my investment strategy. Or two, I'm selling because it's not performing as well. Could still be a good company, but it's not performing as well, and I believe I can take that money, divest my investment, and reinvest it into another company that I think has more potential to go up in the future or in the near future. So that's what I did. I sold SMH, made like $1. Cool, no problem, no biggie. But what did I buy? I bought SoFi. We bought SoFi. So if y'all not familiar with SoFi, I'm just gonna go right here. I ain't gonna take off this up ahead. SoFi is a financial service platform which engages in the provision of student loan refinancing options to private student loan market. It offers home loans, personal loans, credit cards. It operates through the following segments: technology platform, personal loan, student loan, home loan products. So all in all, SoFi, in my opinion, is the future of investing, the future of banking. They have a lot of products under their belt. They got Galileo, which I'm not too, an expert on that particular product, but it is a product that they have that I think they're trying to offer to other banks. What I'm hearing is the AWS of banking stock. So like they said, you got your student loan, you got your mortgage, you got your credit card, your housing. It's kind of like an all-in-one umbrella. They have so many different products you can do, and they really attract the younger generation. I think they're going to be big, in my opinion. This is I am invested in this portfolio, in this stock, the public portfolio here, which I'm showing y'all, and also in my private portfolio. I'm not gonna lie, this is not financial advice. As always, y'all know I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't advice. Y'all should do your own research. But right now, SoFi is my biggest holding when it comes to share count. Not as far as dollar value, but share count. SoFi currently is my biggest holding at the moment. And I see good potential, baby. I see good potential. I got in at like $8. It rolled up and it kept going up. I kept dollar cost averaging up. My average right now is about $10 right now in my private portfolio. So I'm up. I think it's at $14.50 right now. They got an earnings report coming January 27th. They got an earnings report, and I think it's gonna be really good because they don't have a full year of being profitable. And that's always good. They just turned profitable a couple months ago. And it's been doing good. Of course, do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor by all means, but I am going, have some transparency in this portfolio. As y'all can see, I'm gonna show y'all, like, you feel me, back. We the realest on YouTube for real. We the realest on YouTube for real. I bought one share yesterday at $13.97. I had a big drop. And then I bought 2 shares. I doubled back, and I was like, shoot, let me go ahead and buy. Let me go ahead and buy 2 more, little 3-pack, $13.99, $27.97, and look, it's already at $14.54. So I'm already up currently $1.68. I'm up roughly 4%. Now, is that saying it's gonna keep going up? No, it might dip back down a little more. If it do, we buy more. That's another good lesson for y'all watching this. Appreciate the comments too in the video. My last Robinhood video too. I see a lot of comments in there. A lot of youngins, 18-year-old, college students, freshmen. Appreciate y'all. Y'all know who y'all are. Appreciate y'all watching and tuning in. But that's number one. When you invest in stocks, you gotta think long term. All my portfolios are long term plays for the most part. Not really short term. So we're not really affected when a jobs report come out, or the Fed, Jerome Powell, says they're not gonna be cutting as many rates, and the market overreacts and the stocks drop. Different news like that, or a banking analyst puts a new rating on a stock and it makes it go down. We don't pay attention to the short term news. You feel me? We long term. If I were to pay attention to the short term news, I would be in and out of stock so many times. At that point, you're not making no money. You got to buy, hold. That's why it's important to do your research and look at the fundamentals of the company, and just if it makes sense. You gotta see if it makes sense. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm already up 4% right here on SoFi. So definitely gonna be a stock I'll be adding more into. Like I told y'all, let me know below what stocks y'all interested in. What are y'all invested in? How many shares? If you invested in SoFi, how many shares you got? You feel me? So this is definitely a good play. As far as that, I'm thinking of selling QQQ. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of QQQ. Because I've been investing for about 5 years now. I started investing with just your S&P 500, your ETFs, things like that. But one, they have a higher expense ratio because a basket of companies. ETF is basically a basket of companies, your Apple, your Nvidia, your Microsoft, all in one. So you don't get as much growth as you would if you're in a individual stock, but you also don't take a big of a hit if the stock does drop versus individual stocks. So it kind of, I feel like ETFs is more for people who don't want to really do research, who just kind of want to chill, put their money in, and then go out and play golf or something. Me, I look at the reports, I listen to the earning call, the financial statements. I look at that. I do a lot of research on the stocks and what I'm invested in. Certain stocks, not too much, like your Apple, your Meta, your Microsoft. Those legacy companies, they ain't gonna go nowhere, bro. I don't gotta do too much research on those. But the newer ones, I try to do a little bit more research on them though. So I think QQQ is what I'm gonna sell next. I got about $38 in there, so I think I'm gonna sell that next and see what more steals I can buy, steals and deals I can buy. I think I might get rid of I'm gonna keep VOG, but I think I'm gonna get rid of QQQ next. But honestly, not too much happening, like we said, all the time. The market has been going through some turmoil, but we got a lot of earnings coming up though. We got Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia earnings coming up. I think the end of this month. We got Palantir earnings coming up February 3rd. So Q1 gonna be big. I got big expectations, bro. Q1 gonna be big. Q1 is gonna be very, very big. But this is a quick update. I'm not gonna do as long as I did in the last video. Just want to do a quick little recap for this live stream that I'm on. And yeah, you feel me? So let me know in the comments below. Appreciate y'all tuning in. And let me know what the videos y'all want to see. And like I said, let me know if y'all want these bi-weekly, y'all want weekly, once a month. Let me know. Let me get a little feedback. I saw y'all comments. Let me know what y'all doing, what type of videos y'all want to see when it comes to this. But it's a quick update, what I sold, what I buy, what the market is looking like this week.